to another video from the Tech Genius Holiday Mentorship Program. Okay, and in this video, we are going to be treating a story called the Bitter Pot. And in this guide, I will take you to from prompt writing through image generation in Canva to voiceover creation and final video editing. So by the end of this, you'll have a cinematic storytelling video ready to share. Okay, so I'll break it step by step. So step one, you have to define the characters. All right. Before creating any scene, decide on exactly what each character looks like and keep that description the same way for every image prompt. This ensures visual consistency. Okay. So, so for this story, I have three main characters. Okay. So the first is Tunde. All right. Tunde. Now, you have to ensure that each character description shows in every scene. So you must ensure that the description of each character is shown in every scene. Okay, exactly the same way you describe them. This is to ensure consistency of images. Okay, so you don't have too many discrepancies in the images. Okay, so for our first character, so our first character is Tunde. So if you look here, you see Tunde, 8-year-old African boy, warm brown skin, short curly black hair, thin frame, sad eyes, wearing a faded brown wrapper, traditional fabric tied at waist, no shirt, and worn out slippers. Expression quiet, obedient, and kind. And then our next character is Bola, 8-year-old African boy, lighter brown skin, chubby cheeks, full black hair, cut low, cheerful face, wearing a bright yellow short sleeve shirt and green shorts. Expression playful and carefree. And then Mama Bola, African woman in her early 40s, dark skin, full build, short natural hair, tied in a scarf, wears a bold orange and yellow Ankara dress with matching head tie. Expression turn and calculating. Now that is step one. Okay. Then after you've done this, we move on to step two.